Assalamu alaikum. How are you? I hope you're fine and doing well. In this little video, we're talking about Hamza at the end of the word. So, are you ready to start? Yes, we are ready. Okay. Okay. First of all, you have to know that Hamza is written in accordance with the previous letter's shape. That's it. That's the rule. It's very easy and simple. So if the previous letter's shape it has kasra or fatha or dhamma or sukoon, that's it. This is how to know how to write the letter Hamza at the end of the word. For example, you have this word, and this word, can you tell me what is the previous letter haraka or the previous letter's shape? You have fatha here. So that will make it easier for you. I will tell you, we have kasra here before Hamza. You have sukoon here before Hamza. You have dhamma here before Hamza. So now we know the first thing, which is Hamza is written according to the previous letter's shape. So the second question should be, what if there is fatha or kasra or dhamma or sukoon before Hamza? So how can I write down it? This is the second question, and I'm answering you the second question right now. Look here. As you can find, we have lots of examples we want to answer together. So, and we have the rule. The rule says the previous letters win. The previous letter wins. Do you remember the Hamza at the middle of the word when I told you the strongest wins? Here's different. Here is the previous letters wins. So for example, if we have kasra, the previous letter before Hamza, or we have dhamma, or we have fatha, or we have sukoon, what should we do? If we have kasra at the before Hamza, so Hamza will be like this, as you can see. If we have dhamma, so Hamza will be like that. If we have fatha, Hamza will be like this. If we have sukoon, Hamza will be on the line. So what's your opinion to try the first example here? Yeah, can you do it yourself? Can you do it? Look here, we have before Hamza, we have kasra. The letter before Hamza, kasra, has kasra. Ra has kasra. So how can we write down the letter Hamza? Can you do it? It's easy and simple. Try, just try. Okay, it will be like that. Very nice. The second example, look, can you see the previous letter? What shape do we have? We have fatha. Yeah. So how can we write the letter Hamza? Can you write down it and see like that? Like that, because what if we have fatha before Hamza? This is the way we write alif, we write Hamza. Okay, and then we have dhamma here before Hamza. That's how we write Hamza. And the last example we have sukoon, so we write Hamza on the line like that. Yeah, that's easy and simple. Okay, so let me read the first word for you. The first word is قارئ قارئ. The second يقرأ يقرأ. The third جرؤ. The fourth and the last bad. Okay, that's it. Easy. This is the rule. Yeah, do you believe it? This is the rule. It's easy and simple. Okay, there's something I want to tell you. Can you see here? When Hamza is preceded by any of these letters, which is alif or waw or ya, so Hamza will be on the line. But remember that alif and waw and ya, this should be huruf al-illa, or it should be huruf al-mad, the stretched letter. This should be the how can I know that they are stretched letter? It's easy and simple. Can you see this letter? This letter alif, it should be preceded by fatha. If you see it preceded by fatha, this is how can you know it's حرف مد stretch letter. Can you see this letter? Well, it should be preceded by ضمة. This is how can you know this is حرف مد. Can you see this letter? Yeah, it should be preceded by كسرة. Let's try this. The first, can you read the first word? سماء. Yeah, so we have alif here. We have alif. Yeah, before alif we have fatha. So this is how to know alif is حرف مد stretch letter because it has fatha before. And so you write down Hamza on the line as we agreed, because the rule says when Hamza is preceded by any of these letters, so you write Hamza on the line. So we have alif here, Hamza on the line. Next one, hudu. We have waw here, yeah, and you have dhamma before waw. So waw is harf mad, stretched letter. So how this is how can you write Hamza on the line. The last one, very also the same. You have the letter ya here. It's preceded by kasra. So this is how to know it's harf mad, it's stretched letter, and you write down the letter Hamza on the line. That's it. Easy and simple. Okay. Yeah, also there's something you have to know that these letters, alif and waw and ya, all of them, they have sukun. They have sukun already. Yeah. And do you remember the previous rule when we said when the letter before alif, before Hamza, when the letter before Hamza has sukun, so Hamza should be written on the line. Yeah. So the previous rule, it works here as well. Okay. Now we have some examples. So I'm asking you to write down them and answer them. Okay, and you can send me your answer, of course. Okay, this is the rule of the Hamza at the end of the word. Easy and simple. I hope you enjoyed the lesson today. So thank you so much. شكرا. مع السلامة.